Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Zangi Messenger app. So let's get started. So here, I will just open my Zangi Messenger app. So to use that, first of all, click on here, click on register, simple, and follow these steps. So at here, it will take some time just to continue, allow the media storage. Then here you have to put a first name, then second name, then here this is your Zingy number. Okay, just continue. So here you have to create your password. Okay, so here you can just put your password, then do continue, then here you can just do like this. Okay, so you can just forward this number and you can use. So by this we can do it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.